Welcome to the world of the Neato robot. Woohoo! I'm gonna videotape him today doing his thing. Now we're going to watch him and see if he can find his home base. He's looking for home now. He's just finished cleaning. He's getting close. He's going the right direction. He seems to know where he's going. Let's see if he finds it. He stopped right in front of it and now he's spinning. He needs to back up into it. And he's backing up. When his light turns orange, that means he's charging. It'll glow back and forth, kind of pulsing orange. There he is, he docked. Cleaning suspended while charging. If that's even readable. Okay, well, we'll get back to you when you're done having a drink of your juice. Bye-bye.